Chapter 1. The surprising secret to rapid strength recovery. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning with noticeably more energy in your muscles. The kind of strength that makes you feel like walking farther, standing taller, and living fuller. What if one simple food, just I could help you regain strength in as little as 12 hours? That's not a fantasy, it's science. Welcome to ElderBloom, where we bring trusted, research-backed tips for living stronger, longer, and better after 60. Today, we're revealing the power of one extraordinary, humble food that research shows can boost muscle recovery, improve mobility, and reverse age-related weakness faster than you thought possible. So, what's the food? Eggs. Yes. Simple, inexpensive, nutrient-packed eggs. Let's unpack why. Chapter 2. The science behind the egg strength boost. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, all 9 essential amino acids, plus vital nutrients like vitamin D, B12, and choline. But what makes eggs special for older adults is leucine. Leucine is an amino acid scientifically proven to trigger muscle protein synthesis, the body's natural way of repairing and rebuilding muscle. In fact, studies from McMaster University and the Journal of Nutrition show that older adults who consume leucine-rich proteins, like eggs, can increase muscle mass and strength even within 12 hours after eating. That's because as we age, our muscles become less responsive to normal amounts of protein. This is known as anabolic resistance. But eggs fight this resistance. They deliver the exact amino acid profile your aging muscles need fast and effectively. Chapter 3. Real life application: when and how to eat eggs for maximum strength. Now, when is the best time to eat eggs for strength? According to clinical nutritionists, the morning is ideal. Eating 2 whole eggs within an hour of waking up floods your system with muscle-repairing nutrients. When your body is most in need, pair your eggs with something like sautéed spinach or a slice of whole grain toast, and you get fiber, iron, and sustained energy along with the muscle benefits. And for those worried about cholesterol, recent research, including findings from Harvard, confirms that eating 1 or 2 eggs daily does not raise heart disease risk in healthy seniors. Eggs are also easy on digestion, inexpensive, and incredibly versatile. Boil them, scramble them, poach them, however you prefer. What matters is consistency. Want proof? A 12-week study in older women published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that those who consumed higher protein breakfasts primarily exerted significantly more muscle strength and reported less fatigue than the low-protein group. This isn't just about nutrition, it's about freedom. The freedom to walk, carry groceries, garden, or play with grandkids, all powered by one simple breakfast. Chapter 4. More than muscles, eggs and bone, brain and balance support. While we've talked about muscle strength, eggs don't stop there. They're also packed with vitamin D, which helps absorb calcium and support bone density. As we age, bones lose mass and become fragile, leading to falls, fractures, and hospital stays. One boiled egg gives you a meaningful dose of vitamin D, helping protect your skeletal strength from the inside out. Eggs are also one of the best sources of choline, brain-boosting nutrient critical for memory and mental clarity. According to a study from the University of Boston, older adults with higher choline levels had better cognitive function and less memory decline. Balance, reaction time, and coordination are also impacted by how well your brain and muscles communicate. And since eggs support both, they become a natural ally for seniors aiming to stay sharp and mobile. So whether it's walking confidently or remembering names at a social event, eggs fuel the foundation. Chapter 5. How to add eggs into your daily routine easily. Now, let's make this practical. If you don't already eat eggs regularly, start simple. You don't need fancy recipes. Breakfast idea 2. Boiled or scrambled eggs with half an avocado and a slice of whole grain toast. Lunch idea: add a chopped hard-boiled egg to a leafy salad with nuts and olive oil dressing. Dinner tip: Make a veggie omelet with spinach, mushrooms, and low-fat cheese. And if you're short on time, a boiled egg on the go is better than skipping protein altogether. If you're diabetic or watching calories, consult your doctor, but most older adults can safely enjoy 1 or 2 eggs daily as part of a balanced diet. If your stomach reacts poorly to eggs, you can try just the whites, which still contain protein but less fat. Consistency is more important than quantity. Over time, your muscles begin to respond. Your stamina improves, and your body starts rebuilding. Chapter 6. Final thoughts. A small food that makes a big difference. Let's be honest, aging can make us feel like we're gradually losing strength, choice by choice, year by year. But that decline isn't always inevitable. What you eat can either slow down that loss or accelerate your comeback. 1 egg, 1 morning, 1 bite may seem small, but over time, it adds up to strength, vitality, and independence. And that's what ElderBloom is all about, helping you live not just longer, but better. So the next time you open your fridge and reach for something fast, remember this: eggs are more than food, they're fuel for your second act. This has been ElderBloom, your guide to smarter, stronger, senior living. If this helped you or someone you love, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips. Stay strong, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next one.